Meaning of virtue. Virtue means a good moral quality in a person, something that shows good character, such as honesty, kindness, patience, or courage. In short, virtue equals moral goodness. Examples using virtue. Honesty is a virtue that everyone appreciates. Patience is a virtue, especially when dealing with difficult situations. She admired his virtue of always helping others. Forgiveness is a virtue that not many people practice. He tries to live a life full of virtue and good intentions. Short story with virtue. Liam was known in his village as a quiet and humble boy. One day, he found a wallet full of money on the road. Instead of keeping it, he walked from house to house trying to find its owner. When he finally returned it, the old man who had lost it smiled and said, "Honesty is truly a virtue, young man." Liam felt proud, not because he got a reward, but because he did the right thing. And from that day, people remembered him not for his words, but for his virtue.